Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got 4 more Kizers for you guys to check out. Kizer here recently sent me 8 knives and I decided to split it up into 2 different videos. The first set felt like the softer boxes, or the less expensive stuff, so I have 4 harder boxes, most likely more expensive stuff, to share with you. I have absolutely no idea what's in here. They didn't tell me, and I haven't actually gotten through the outer white parts yet. So I'm going to share all this stuff with you guys today. As per usual, I will link this stuff right down below if it is available so that you guys can check it out. That is entirely up to you, but it does help my channel when you use my links. Thanks to Kizer for sending this stuff in for me to take a look at. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's go. We're just going to do these one at a time. I don't know what I'm hoping for. Part of me is hoping for some updated premium models, and part of me is part of me is hoping for some brand new models. Just going to try and keep this stuff, the debris, out of the way. The first one we have here is called the Original Rebutte, L-Max, Stonewashed, Nebula, and Button Lock. Okay, so is this like a premium Kizer Original? Take a look. Get through the Samsung cell phone case. All right. What do we got? Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. I think I do remember seeing this. That's a nice one. So they are messing around with different steels. The other one that I've got over here from the last unboxing was in like, this is way lighter, by the way. But the other one was 154 cm and that sort of like multi-layered, multicolored G10. This is cool. Very lightweight. Awesome. Titanium pocket clip. You can see all the layers in it. That's kind of neat. Most likely, yeah, it looks like we've got partial. You can see the reflectivity of partial liners, so it's not writing directly on this. What they call it. It looks and feels like layered and multicolored carbon fiber. But yeah, very cool, very colorful. All right, I don't know what the price is on that one. I have no idea. Probably not the most expensive. Probably not like in the mega upper tiers of Kizer premium knives, but probably still fairly expensive. We're gonna do another theme here. Let's find out. Feist, and oh, we have 20 CV blade, black stonewash, purple haze, and steel liner. Okay. Let's get into it here. Doing my best to speed through that part. And yeah, ooh, this one's actually really cool. Oh yeah, can I front flip yet? Oh yeah, this is like a big Feist. Oh yeah, okay, I really like this. This looks awesome. Look at that. Here, let's zoom in. Give you guys some detail. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like that's wicked. This material looks awesome with the multi-layered purple. The other thing that's nice here is this, this bigger Feist just makes way more sense with my hands. I like this way more. This is way easier to manipulate. Way easier. Feist XL, 20 CV, Lundquist. Love the blade shape. You're tempting me. This is usually stuff I give away, but this is the kind of stuff. This is what makes it hard. Right? They send me this stuff and I usually give it away, but then I get cool stuff like this and I'm like, I want to keep it for myself. That's cool. I like that. Oh, just about got myself in the same spot that I got myself over here. This hand has been taking a beating. Oh man, that is a cool one. I really like the way the purple looks. And you know, with purple, it's got to be pretty specific. This is like purple that you'd see on the cover of a heavy metal album. That is sick. Okay, next up, get into this one here. And what do we have? We have, oh, a Towser K. Is this like a premium one? L-Max, blue and fat carbon. Okay, let's take a look. Something that's nice about Kizer is that if you find a model that you like you like the profile, there's usually like 2 or 3 different options in 2 or 3 different price ranges, right? Let's give me another awesome one. Oh, man. That is sick. Look at the detail on that. Oh, man. Very cool. I like seeing all these different variations of carbon fiber, right? And this is fat carbon, which is or wait, is that what it says? Hold on. Fat carbon, yeah. So it's from the fat carbon company, right? A lot of people say it's not fat carbon. Fat carbon looks like et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Fat carbon is the supplier, the creator, the manufacturer, right? So sometimes it looks big and chunky because they make that style, and sometimes it looks like this, which to me looks like if someone like dyed a bag of grass clippings. Blue and black, right? But yeah, it looks cool. I really wish that they didn't contrast it with a black-washed blade. I love LMAX. LMAX is a great steel. This is a sweet knife. Very cool. What is it with the Tousers? It just has that weird internal pivot system, right? Sorry, let me zoom back out. The Towser, the reason that this is so smooth, all of these are like this. The Towser. Even the super budget version. You can get a $50 or $60 version of this knife, and it has the exact same action. It's just crazy smooth. I think it has some weird internal pivots. I reviewed this knife, so you can go back and watch. I'm sure I covered it there. It's just hard to remember everything. But yeah, I like the LMAX. Man, I wish that these had tumbled, like Kizer's, tumbled finish that they usually do, where it's like a nice, medium polish. It's just preference, though. All right, last one here. What do we got? God, this is a mess over here. Last one is... Oh, it's the Drop Bear. Ooh, we got a premium Drop Bear, Toxic Storm, and Steel. All right, so we're going to do like a green. Let's find out. Can't wait to get these stitches out. Ah, yeah. Toxic Storm was the right thing there. That's sick. Oh man, that's real, almost neon green there. So we have a Drop Bear in 20 CV and the Toxic Storm. It looks like these are numbered. So these are all, I would venture to guess, all of these are special run. Drop Bear is definitely an excellent EDC design. It's nice to see that they're doing different variants. This is the kind of thing that I'm talking about. I think it's perfectly okay to do limited runs of things. That's fine. A big element of being a knife enthusiast is enjoying pride of ownership in like limited run things, right? And some people view that really negatively, right? Because they're like, that creates this sort of artificial, these parameters of like intended FOMO, right? Okay, but isn't everything, like literally everything, think about it. Every market has that, right? And we do that, like those of you who are going to leave your comments with your iPhones, oh, FOMO, right? You went out of your way. You desperately, like you were like sweating out of your face to get that iPhone, right? Don't pretend you weren't. Sorry. Well, I'm trying to get back to what I was saying. But yeah, I think this is cool. The main thing that I don't like, the thing that drives me crazy is when a company creates a really awesome design that people want and they go, we made 50 and that's it. What? Why? Why? Make more of them, right? And this is not something that is applicable to these teeny tiny little small batch USA companies. I'm talking about large production USA or Chinese, right? These big, massive scale companies. If you want to do sprints and limited runs, that's fine. But if it's a model that people want, keep making the model. And this is the case here. We have 4 models that people really like, and Kizer is paying attention and giving us different variants. Not variants that every single person will like, but I think that's the reason for the limited run, right? They're not going to make enough for every single person who's ever been slightly interested in Kizer knives to buy one, because that would be a ridiculous waste of money. So I think this is cool, and I like that we have a wide variety here. I like that we're, they're doing something that's premium and kind of crazy for people who like to have a little bit of flashiness in their EDC. I think it's neat. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it today. The color, I can see that the brightness, my phone has absolutely no idea what to do with the bright. Every time I put my hands in, it's going down. Now it's going back up, right? Sorry about that. Maybe if we come down, maybe, there we go. Now it's like, ah, yes, it's clearly supposed to be dark. Just have to remember not to zoom out. The Galaxy S22's camera is great, but it is very different than my old Note 20 Ultra. That had a little bit more stable. This one wants to adjust the lighting all the time. I'm sure I can change it, but anyways, who cares about your phone? Like I said, you can pick these up by following the links in the description if you want to. Thanks so much to Kizer for sending these in. I don't know that any of these, these are all models that I've reviewed before, save for the XL Feist, which will absolutely 100% get its own full comprehensive review. If you're new and you're like, I'm not sure what I just watched, if this isn't a review, this is not a review. This is me opening a bunch of knives and just reacting to them for the very first time, just first impressions. After I get some time to spend with this guy, I'll do a full comprehensive review on it if you care to wait and hear my thoughts afterwards. The rest of these will likely be giveaway items for live streams on my channel down the road. So if you're not subscribed and you wanted an additional incentive to subscribe, a lot of the stuff that I get for free from manufacturers, I end up giving away. So make sure and join me Fridays and sometimes Saturday evenings live for that. As for today's video, that's going to be pretty much it. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.